Okay, I have absolutely no idea whether or not you're going to be able to see this, but I'll give it a shot. Setting depth on a router. I hate these things. Depth control is always a pain in the ass. But what I'm doing is, instead of relying on math, I'm going straight off of the edge of the rabbet that I've already cut. And hopefully this thing will focus. And you can see that it's just a hair deeper than the rabbet, so it should provide a good mating surface with just barely enough room for glue. And the trick with these things is, when you get it set to the depth you want, you take that nut and you crank it down like it owes you money, because these things, I don't trust them. I would much rather be using a vertical mill for this, but I don't have one, so gotta do what you gotta do. Good luck. I need it.